Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the Metro 2 spec and the vendor supplement. That ensures you follow the official codes. Next, extract a secure dataset with every required field: dates, statuses, balances, dispute flags, so you won't backtrack. Then map your internal account fields to Metro 2 columns. This mapping is critical because one misaligned code will produce rejects. Once done, validate data types and character limits so your first export already meets structural rules and minimizes. You build the file by generating records per mapped account, making sure each header and footer follow file-level rules so receivers can parse it. While creating records, apply the correct status codes and account types and enforce strict date formats. Those values determine how a bureau treats the trade line. After generation, run automated schema validation and business rule edits, then produce a test file for your vendor or bureau. If the test returns rejects, the validation reports point to the exact field to fix. You submit the production file through your secure channel and confirm acceptance receipts to track delivery. After submission, monitor bureau processing and reconcile acceptance codes versus rejects so you understand systemic issues versus isolated data mistakes. If you get rejects, prioritize the validation report. It shows exact record and field failures, so correct the mapping or data and resubmit only the affected records. One key tip: when in doubt, reproduce the specific record in a test file and validate until the error disappears.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.